Alright, now I'm going to talk about conditional relative frequencies. These are usually called conditional probability. So if you Google this, you should Google conditional probability. I just haven't gone over probability, so I'm going to call it conditional relative frequencies because it makes more sense for us right now. But if you want more help on it, it's probably called conditional probability when you look it up. So conditional means that given event B is true, what is the relative frequency of event A? So event B and event A can be a lot of things. We're going to do an example here. So let's say we have this question. It says, what percentage of dog owners also own a cat? So event B would be dog owners. So if this is true, what's the relative frequency of event A, which would be owning a cat? So if we look at the contingency table, we want to look at just the dog owners. That's all we're concerned about. So we want to know, first of all, how many dog owners are there? And there are 9. And then we want to know, out of the dog owners, which ones own a cat. So there's 5. So we're going to do 5 divided by 9, which is about 0.56 or 56%. So the relative frequency, or the conditional relative frequency, would be 56%. So we did what percentage of dog owners also own a cat. So now we're going to focus on just the dog owners, not the whole sample. So we're not going to divide by 14. Instead, we're going to divide by 9 here. Let's do another example of conditional relative frequencies. So say we want to know what percentage of cat owners do not own a dog. So now we're just going to focus on cat owners. Okay, not the whole sample. We're not concerned about anything else in the contingency table besides this column. So the event B would be the cat owners. So 8 cat owners. So that's our total sample size that we're looking at now. We're not looking at the total sample size of 14. And then we want to know what percentage of cat owners do not own a dog. So that would be 3. So we're going to do 3 divided by 8, which is 0.38 or 38%. So the relative frequency for that conditional probability is 38%.